what's up? We are in Chandidasa today.
So yes, now we are in East Bali, especially we are in Chandidasa. Why we are here? So
Just relaxing.
relaxing from hustle and bustle life in Denpasar or Sanur. Actually, I've got a day off today, and it's time for us to have a sweet escape
A little
in
bit
East Bali. So
little
yeah.
bit relaxing time, and this is beautiful place. This is one of hotel. We come here for the daily pass, like a pool pass, stuff like this, and we will show you around this really beautiful place in East Bali. I will show you a little bit of the property, and I decided I will show you from the beginning, from the lobby, because it's quite impressive. So this is how it looks outside, and this is like a lobby welcome, and here we go, this beautiful entrance like this. You walk through the small wee bridge or something like this. It's really beautiful, and coming into restaurant facing the ocean, cozy, small, but very really nice, and they have a lot of details. And then you have a view of the pool and the ocean just straight forward, which is really cool. It's early morning, nobody is here yet, which is even better. And it's like one gazebo, sitting area, pool, another gazebo, and this is obviously hotel, so you have bungalows, I think, or kind of bungalows, kind of villas around. I will show you a little bit how it looks, the property over here. And Sayang is in the gazebo already waiting. By the way, you have a really nice pool overlooking the ocean straight forward, and it's really beautiful. Never been in this place, and we just decided to having a pool pass, which is just basically chilling and doing nothing, which is super cool. Sayang here chilling, and that's how it looks. Also the beach.
So we've got so many emails and asking, and also message in Instagram asking that is Bali a really good place? Is Bali especially is really good place for retirement? Well, I think yes, because I don't know, when I just arrived here, I already feel like peaceful, relaxing, and then far away from hustle and bustle, busy life. So yeah, it's very good. And also this place famous for snorkeling and diving, but unfortunately, yeah, we cannot swim, we cannot dive in.
Check this out, this place, and this fisherman guy over here. Oh, so cool.
Okay, so our food is coming. Well, yeah. So nowadays, as you see in previously in our videos, like many local domestic tourists coming to Bali. But why? Nobody going to East Bali, especially to Chandidasa. Look at the ambience and everything. So peaceful and relaxing. So do you know why, guys? Please comment below. What do you think? Do you like, let's say whenever you are going to Bali, do you like to be in East Bali or not? Smash nega. Okay, so as I mentioned before, East Bali is really good for people who wants to retire. Yes, if we see that from the cost of living is very much cheaper, and then like daily expense. So if you used to cook maybe at home, maybe much cheaper. If just like us, somehow going on the weekend, just spending some out, also much cheaper. So yeah, I got some emails and message in Instagram and asking that your lifestyle, is it expensive or something? No. Well, actually that whenever we go out, we also have a certain budget. Let's say whenever we go out like this, our budget is maximum 200k. So yeah, like we are going today, this is not paid endorsement actually. We are going today is just like 75k pool day pass, including the food and everything is very nice. So other than that, if you are asking about retirement visa, well, retirement visa is not that expensive, because we know that one of our lovely viewers gonna come to Bali next month, and then she said that the retirement visa to live in Bali is also not expensive. Also got emails from one guy in Malaysia, and then he really wants to move to Bali and retire, and then asking me so many questions regarding to visa and then cost of living, and then everything is about rental place. So yeah, Bali is much cheaper if you compare with other places, and especially in East Bali, like this area in Chandidasa. Maybe this is also the right place for you. It's quiet, relaxing. So yeah. Okay, so many of you asking like how many budget that you have to be prepared on your bank account. So for the retirement, they will ask you like minimum 1.5 thousand US dollars in your bank account, and also the minimum year, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong guys, the minimum age is about 55 years old. So yes, you can apply your retirement visa on that one.
When I go to reach out and to roam, there is no perception of a home. For when it's all been said and done, I know how to act when nothing's what it seems. For a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. I'm reading on the book of my own life, and to a point the surface is alive. When I feel warm inside my stolen heart, I come to terms with making a new start. For a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. So much for me to do, so many things to prove. Don't feel like waiting anymore. The night is closing in, I'm bleeding through my skin, but I won't run away this time for sure. For a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore.
Okay, so now we are in the center of the Chandidasa, and then we'll do little bit stroll and then chill, walk.
We'll show you a little bit how it looks, the city of Chandidasa, before we're gonna have a coffee, because I didn't have a coffee yet today. So basically that's how it looks. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes not, and there are some tourist center, diving center also. Also in this area, few hotels, and we are heading now to our favorite cafe shop, which is Loaf, where is the Winnie is coming and where our car is parked, our chimney obviously. Also over here is some local warungs, as you can see, chill out, and here supposed to be a tourist business, but unfortunately at this point are just closed.
Okay, so now we will have a coffee in one of our favorite coffee shop in Chandidasa, and this is, I think this one is only one that open, yeah? Let's see.
Hello, how are you? That's how it looks inside the loaf. Show you a little bit. Beautiful, tempting cakes, and she will make a coffee for me today. And so you. Here we go, the best coffee in Chandidasa so far.
So now we are in the Chandidasa. This is how it is on the road. So yeah, some shops are closed and also some are open. Especially for the villas or resort, seems like they are open. Yeah, like this restaurant La Raf, I don't know how to say. It's closed, unfortunately closed. And this Villa Pantai, I don't know, this seems like private villas. And look at this place. I think this place is open, this restaurant is open. Yeah, so that's the famous Chandidasa, and that's Damian parking there. So yeah, this is how it is walking in Chandidasa area. Ooh. And then seems like some shops are here closed. And then yeah.
Alright guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Comment below what do you think, if it's informative for you enough. If you have any more questions, just please comment below. We're gonna make another video and answer all your questions about retirement in Bali. And yeah, I think that's it.
All our video today, guys, from East Bali, Chandidasa. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
See you, take care. There are also some people chilling here. Very local vibe.